Streamer you best. Was geht ab, meine Freunde? Die Axolulu ist back im Start. Ich begrüße euch da ganz herzlich zu einem neuen YouTube-Video. Wir spielen Random Duos und ich hoffe, es gefällt euch. So, Hallo? Hallo? But er heißt Jesus Christ, please. Nein, kein Headset, look. No. Oh.
What's up?
Oh, what's up, my friend? How are you?
Good.
Good. And you're just Jesus Christ, please.
Yeah.
Nice name. You're good in Fortnite.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh.
Do you have some something in your some
Sprachen lernen, Bubble.
some drugs? I think so. No, I don't think. Yeah. Where do you want to go? Hey, friend, where do you want to go? Tell me something. We can go there. You want to go pleasing? Oh, no. Something fake. Let's go, my friend. You're the best. You have a gun? I don't have nothing. Nothing at all. Well, absolute complete. And you're good. Oh. Kom zeg ik klaar.
Let's go fly.
Let's go for what?
Flying. Okay, let's go. Oh, chill, my friend. I'm coming. No. Come back here.
I need you right now. No, I need you right now. Oh, there is
The plane is coming down. Oh. Ooh, nice. Ooh. Do you want to fly? Should I fly? Oh, you fly. Okay. Are you high, my friend? Or drunk?
What?
Do you drunk something?
Smoking weed. Smoking weed.
Smoke. Yeah, boy. Hey, yeah, I hear it. I hear it in your voice, you know.
Yeah.
Because I don't notice how it feels like something like that because I don't smoke. Where are you from, my friend?
Poland.
Poland.
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
And you?
Switzerland.
Oh, nice.
You know Switzerland?
Yeah.
Yeah. This is how alles böse geluid.
Are you a streamer?
Yeah, I'm streaming right now. Just Swiss German, you know. But now I'm playing some random duos. And it could be, this should be the new YouTube video, yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Oh, nice to meet you too, my friend. Nice to meet you too. There we go. When we win this game, you come to my stream.
Okay.
Or you can right now join my stream, yeah, you know. Best streamer you best.
Oh, right.
Then you see my face, yeah?
Yeah, nice. Are you handsome?
What?
Are you handsome?
I'm cute.
Bah, erstmal übergeben.
What?
How old are you?
19.
9. 18. Me too, man.
You too?
Yeah.
Are you a little little on the andere Ufer?
Sprachen lernen, babbel.
No, on your little do you like guys? I think so. Do you like girls or guys?
Girls.
Okay. Can we win this game? Oh, did you plan something? Come on, let's
Yes.
play a little. Let's. 2 Sekunden später, Alter. Come on, let's play a little football game.
No, fine.
Let's go, Axel, push forward. No. I go.
It is mine.
This girl is mine. You can sing something from my stream.
Much.
Do you know Michael Jackson?
About how many viewers?
Nah, 10, only 10 today. Because it's night, yeah. In Switzerland, all people need to go to work or need to go to school at this time. Also not at this
In
time, but
Poland.
need to go to sleep. Now, what we are doing?
I heard something.
Yeah, they are zombies.
Zombies.
Yeah. Do you like zombies in games?
Yeah. Something like. Oh. That's for that. That's for that.
Oh, I know this game. Do you have ever won one game in Fortnite? Do you have won one game in Fortnite?
What?
Did you have one?
Sprachen lernen, babbel.
Did you have one game in Fortnite? Or how many win you have?
I'm playing only Fortnite.
What?
I'm playing only Fortnite.
You're playing only Fortnite.
Yeah.
And how many wins did you have in Fortnite?
0.
0 wins. Okay, come on, let's get one.
Yeah.
You need to stay with me, yeah. Behind us. No. Aber dann ich stirb gerade absolut behindert die ganze Zeit. Was geht ab, meine Freunde? Das war es mit meinem ersten Video gewesen. Ich hoffe, es hat euch gefallen. Und wenn ihr weitere so Videos wollt sehen, lasst ein Like, ein Abo da und schickt das Video euren Freunden weiter. Wir sehen sich schön miteinander.